No, it's just a regular powder.
Okay.
I
Oh,
usually
your
put it-
face looks amazing right now. I'm just...
Hi guys,
Hi.
I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm Helen. Why are we doing this?
And today we're doing the no makeup.
Makeup to finish your sentence. What the fuck? And mirror.
No mirror makeup challenge.
Yeah. And this is our bare faces in its rawest form.
And we see literally nothing, so we're just gonna...
Yeah, it feels really weird.
I start with foundation. What do you start?
We've foundation.
Oh, primer.
Do you prime now? I remember you not priming. Like if you...
Okay, so let me just tell you guys. This is the NYX or NYX No Filter Blurring Primer. And it's
a blurring primer. That's all it is. Oh, can I have some?
You know what? I don't even know what primer does. I just recently started using it.
We can barely do makeup with a mirror.
Exactly. I'm such a newbie. I have the same routine for everything.
I'm gonna move on to foundation.
So let's go for it.
Alright,
guys.
let's blend this before it dries up.
How do I make this even without seeing what I'm doing?
It's not like you can feel the foundation.
No, I can't really feel it. It just wet.
Wet.
Wet. Oh my goodness. Okay,
Alright, I think I'm done.
Whatever.
I'll just go in my hands and whatever's left.
Next, we're going with concealer. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Cover. And yeah, it's just a concealer, guys. See what it does.
I'm using Too Faced. I like this for my under eyes because it's more hydrating than like, I don't know, other concealers.
So I'm gonna do concealer.
Oh girl, you
on the
fancy with the
eye.
brush and stuff.
Before I start my eyebrow, I tend to like put concealer on top so I can shape it, but you know, I can't see anything right now.
Like you shape your brows before
Yes, but
eyebrows? Oh wow.
I don't even know where it is to shape it.
Oh gosh.
You know what?
I'm feeling really self-conscious.
Whatever. I have done that. Should just skip that. Just it's a disaster.
Oh wait, so you use, it's not a setting powder, right?
No, it's just a regular powder.
Okay.
I
Oh,
usually
your
put it.
face looks amazing right now. I'm just
I don't like it when there's too much concealer and foundation on my face. I put powder over it.
Do you ever like do the fish face? Or
What am I supposed to look at?
Yeah, I feel weird, like I have no visual direction, you know? Should I just close my eyes? Think about, just be positive, think about like how well you're gonna succeed in this makeup tutorial.
That's what I'm wishing for, to be honest. This is entertainment purposes.
Oh,
only.
I'm trying really hard.
I think I'm done. I don't know how to contour, guys.
I'm just gonna contour my nose.
I'm very basic. You know what? Obviously, I'm not a makeup blogger or a beauty guru.
And this blush I'm using is by Tarte and it's called Seduce.
I'm using one from The Balm, and I also use it as eyeshadow because I'm basic. I told you guys. This is literally how I put an eyeshadow, and that's how I achieve.
Why am I watching you? I
same.
should just do my...
This is how I achieve the same makeup look every single day in every single picture.
I'm just gonna go in with my Just Peachy palette by Too Faced. It smells amazing. Smell this. Have you smelled it before? I've got like blush, everything that smells really good.
I'm not even done with my eyes yet. So,
I'm gonna do
after
my
I
eyebrows.
apply blush on my eyelids, this is a highlighter for your cheeks.
Oh my god.
I use it on my eyelids. Makeup is versatile. Okay, that's how I like to think of them. And I just don't really care what it's made for.
Yeah.
That's my everyday eyeshadow.
This is my everyday eyeshadow.
Party, dinner, breakfast, work, gym. Just kidding.
Alright, I'm off to eyeliner. Let's just pray we don't poke our eyes out.
Oh my goodness, you guys, this is actually scary. It's like, it feels like I'm about to jump on a bungee jump.
Have you been bungee jumping?
I haven't. It's the same, you know, like you're scared to jump and I'm too scared to start.
I already feel it.
I'm already giving up.
Okay, I'm not even
Withdrawal
trying at this
symptoms.
point because I know I've like failed.
Oh, there you go. And then you create a wing.
That's what I was doing. I like do a line. Alright, I'm done with eyeliner. That's it. Something a little bit special. Go in for the extra look today with some falsies.
Do you usually open your mouth when you're doing your mascara?
Dude, my mouth is always open. Like, that's just the default. Look, I have my mouth open right now. I'm putting
But
on.
I don't understand why.
But you
I
have
don't-
your mouth closed?
Yes.
That's the first time I've ever had someone have their mouth closed.
Because I was thinking about it the other day. I tried to do that and I'm just like, it's freaking exhausting.
Oh, this is really painful. I feel like I've stuck my top and bottom lashes together.
I'm just really trying to concentrate right now.
Oh damn, you really have your mouth closed. I'm sorry that you put your makeup on so beautifully, okay? When I make these faces, it just helps.
I can't relate. Oh, we haven't done brows.
Oh damn, okay, the brows.
Speaking of brows and me using stuff I'm not supposed to use on different parts of my face, I'm using eyeshadow.
Bitch got everything backwards. I feel like brows are always the hardest for me, especially because I've got really...
And I was never good at brows to begin with, so...
brows.
I think I'm done.
I think I'm done. Okay.
Highlighter.
Highlighter. Girl, give me that glow. Well, I'm going to be using MAC and it's called
They're
Strip Me
similar,
Down.
they're similar.
Yeah, I always go for the nudes because it's so easy. It just goes well with any look that you do. The lips are easy.
Are you done?
Done. How about it? What am I missing? Oh, lip gloss. I might as well just add in a bit of gloss. You know.
My favorite one from MLS.
That smells really good. Oh, do you want to share this? Oh my god, I went about.
Okay, that was a lot of mist.
Like, what do you think you went the most?
No,
I know, I look good.
It's actually not bad. It's just your eyelash.
Okay, your base is good. No, actually for no mirror, it's actually really good. Like, you can actually go out.
This one's lying.
Other than that,
I can feel it.
I'm not lying. Like, I know makeup, good makeup when I see makeup. So, and your lips obviously looks good. Girl, you just look amazing.
Okay, this is the big reveal, guys.
One, two, three. Oh my gosh! Hey, you're right. The base isn't that bad. It's just...
Hey, it wasn't...
It's not bad, right? In conclusion, I wouldn't go out like this.
I think...
I would drunk.
I think I would be able to go grocery shopping and I wouldn't... Yeah, no, I wouldn't. I would.
Yeah, you would.
I would. Yes, that's it for our video.
If you really like this video and would want to see more videos with me, please
Comment.
like and subscribe. What did it say?
I don't think I'm ever gonna say that in my videos,
Yeah.
guys.
But we did it.
But we did it. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
It was fun. Bye.